Guys, look at JASMY. Unfortunately, I hate to say it, I'm still holding from 3.6. I sold some of it, but I'm still holding a little bit of a bag from 3.6. I do think one day it goes back up there, but right now it looks like it wants to break this 3 cent support. You did. Let me go. Yeah, I'm on the 50 minute. You did have a wick down to the 2.9 level. Uh, so let me if I zoom out to like the daily chart. Right. Let me zoom out. Move our local low down to that wick. The next fib level would be right below the support at 234. So basically 2.38 cents or 2.4 cents, if you want to say that, is the next target. But you could argue to say you could take the average between the support and the fib level of our last local low, and you could say 2.3 is the next target if you don't hold 3 cents. Uh, yeah, if you don't, well, actually, I'll say this: if you don't hold 2.9, because that was a local low, if you don't hold 2.9, make a lower low, then you're going to come down, in my opinion, to at least 2.4, but probably 2.3. So look for 2.3 if 2.9 does not hold. That's kind of what I'm looking for. Jasmine right now does not look bullish. If you were bullish off of this support or the 3 cent support I had, you would have gotten a major bounce to the upside. But instead, you're just kind of consolidating, and the little pumps you have only took you to like I think what was the high? Maybe 3.1 at most. Maybe a little bit higher. You got up to 3.13. You didn't get up to 3.14 off of the 3 cent level. So that's only about a 2% move, 3% move. It just doesn't look very bullish right now. Uh, but you know what? The RSI is saying it does want to bounce. So let's look at the 15 minute. 15 minute is high, so take that away. The 1 hour is actually higher than I thought. The 4 hour is getting the bounce. So the 4 hour is bullish, saying it does want to move up. And the daily chart is ready to reverse. It looks like it's bottoming out, and hopefully you can turn bullish on the daily chart. But smaller time frames, 15 minute, 1 hour, and just look like maybe you need to again reset. And if they keep resetting as you lower in price, then it's more likely you're going to fall to the next support. So, and I would say anything long term below 3 cents is extremely bearish on the price. Um, I mean, if you don't hold 2.9, the next stop, like I said, even if you don't lose 2.4, that's still a 17.5% drop to the downside, and probably you would be looking at 2.3 if 2.9 does not hold. So that's kind of it. Right now, it's really bearish. If you were to get a pump to the upside above or if you were to get back above 3 cents, stay above it. Your next target would be 3.3 and then 3.6. But until you at least get to 3.6, I'm not bullish. 3.3 is also the next target to the upside, though. So that's kind of all I got. I don't think there's anything bullish to say. I'm still going to hold on because I do think if Bitcoin makes an all-time high, Jasmine will go back to at least double digits, bare minimum. But overall, right now, it just does not look bullish. But yeah, I'm holding on. So we'll see what happens here. I think within the next month or so, we will have a rally up. It just depends on what Bitcoin does, of course. If Bitcoin loses 43K, then this is definitely, in my opinion, going to at least 3.3. Um, the daily chart's probably ready for a bounce here, although actually in the past it's gone way lower. Jasmine to me just does not look like a safe trade in my opinion. I'm already in it, but if I wasn't already in it, I wouldn't be getting into one right now. Now I know you should be buying when everyone's scared, but if you're overbought in the 15 minute and almost overbought on the 1 hour and the MACD doesn't look bullish, you shouldn't be getting into a trade right now. So if you're not in one, I would not get in one. But that's not financial advice, of course. We could be at the bottom here. We could rally all the way up to 4 cents or again or 5 cents. But with that being said, that's kind of all I got. Short term, I'm not very bullish on this. And the next target to the downside again is 2.3. So with that being said, that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, I appreciate if you like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next update.